Hello everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you my evening routine, and I will also tell you some tips on how to sleep better and how to fall asleep faster. Although naturally I'm not a very good sleeper, I have come to the realization that the routine is the key. Even if you're a terrible sleeper, you can solve that. And today I will share how. I usually finish my work from 6 to 7 p.m. I try to not exceed this time, although sometimes it's not possible. And first and foremost, I clean up my table in order to wake up the next morning and see the clean workspace and to have more desire to just sit down at the table and start working on my projects. Before this all in the evening, I prepare my to-do list. I find that if I don't do that, I tend to think about my to-dos for tomorrow the whole evening and forget to rest mentally, so it's an important part of my evening. Next, I open up my notebook to fill my sleep tracker. I track my sleep in order to find different correlations and to make sure that I take everything I can from my sleep, because it's the number one thing that contributes to our health and well-being. By the way, I prepared for you an even better sleep tracker. You can find it by the link in the description. It is completely free. You will just need to sign up to my newsletter. You can unsubscribe anytime, don't worry. And you will receive the whole sleep tracker to your email so that you can also work on improving your sleep. Finishing my work, I feel such a relief that the day is over, I can finally rest, so I unwind with my kitties. As a modern person, I am easily bored with cats, so I check my Instagram.
Женя, пойдем гулять? Да. Когда? Сейчас?
Да, давай через 6 минут.
Usually we go out to the park in the afternoon, but when we are too busy or too lazy to do that, then we do this in the evening. But I try to make sure that I prioritize going out at least once a day, because otherwise I feel like I am living in the digital world my whole life at home, so it's important for us to go. It's one of my most favorite parts of the day because I can look around, I can breathe industrial fresh air, I can spend some time in the nature and enjoy a nice conversation. What we do in the evening varies, and sometimes during our walks we do different chores and of course stroke the stray cats. Having returned from the walk, of course, we want to have dinner together. I drink some water and then start to warm up our dish. Today it is just a mixture of everything that we had in the fridge. It's cabbage, carrot, onion and rice cooked together in tomato paste. Very delicious and so simple. While I'm making tea, it's time to wash the dishes because, I don't know, I just don't like looking at dirty dishes in the sink. Although I don't always clean it after the dinner, I really try to do that right afterwards. Also, it is one more nice occasion not to look at my phone because I really have problems with that and I really want to reduce my time spent in screens because it also can worsen a lot my sleep and give me anxiety and stress that I don't want. A while ago, I started to significantly reduce caffeine-containing drinks after 3 p.m. It doesn't always work, but I really try to, because caffeine can mess up with your natural desire to sleep, and half dissolution of caffeine lasts from 5 to 7 hours. So try to reduce caffeine consumption later in the day. Herbal tea, family, TV show, and a cat are just incredible combination, just so you know. And we are watching right now the 70s show. Did you watch it? We actually are really enjoying this TV show. After about an hour or even more, it is time to go to the shower. Actually, it would be really appropriate right now to turn off the lights, because turning off the lights helps to produce melatonin in your brain that also signals that it's time to slow down because you're going to sleep soon. All my skincare is done in the shower, so you will not see that. Having a shower in the evening before going to bed is actually a great tool to lower the temperature of your body. Your body naturally lowers the temperature when you are going to sleep.
Yeah, honey. Now you have to clean that up.
And by having a shower, you help the warmth go to your limbs and to cool the middle part of your body, if I can say so. So it makes a lot of sense to shower before going to bed in the evening. It's getting quite cool these days in October here, so I need an additional blanket to keep myself warm. At about 9:30 p.m., maybe 10 p.m., I lay down and open my Kindle to start reading. I have this flashlight with me, and it was a really good purchase, especially with recent problems with electricity in my city. The best thing that you can do for your sleep in the evening is to do some non-digital activities. You can journal, you can read, you can listen to something, and this will be much better than scrolling your phone. It is actually very recommended to stop using your phones, tablets, TVs a few hours or at least a half an hour before sleep, because it prevents our good old melatonin from producing. So I read for about an hour and then I start preparing myself to sleep. And how I do this is by meditating. It has been just a cure for my insomnia, although it doesn't help 100% of the time. It definitely improved my overall sleep habit, because I more easily fall asleep and I have a better sleep throughout the night. Of course, not only thanks to meditation, but it played a huge role. Don't forget to check out the free sleep tracker by the link in the description, and thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your likes and comments and views. More about how to improve your health and well-being is in my playlist Heal Your Living. And have a good day. Goodbye.